Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand it thoroughly to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So let's start the day to analyze the natural gas futures in a 1 hour time frame. So here you can see that this is a live chart analysis. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures have finally tested the lows at the levels to $5.168 on October 12th. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures found a strong bounce back from here, well up to the levels to 5.519. So here I find that this is an immediate resistance for natural gas futures, whereas the natural gas futures have completed consolidation phase well above the levels of 5.395. From here you can see that how the natural gas futures have found a strong support at this uptrend line and currently trading well above the upper end of Ichimoku cloud, which looks evident enough for continuation of this uptrend during the upcoming week, where I find that shortly we'll see the natural gas futures to cross the next resistance at the 5.594, and here a still move amid this zone will result in a sharp upward move well above the levels of 5.787, where new buyers will attract to ride this bumpy move, where I find that the natural gas futures could remain extremely volatile well around this level, where every downward move will provide a good opportunity to belong, because here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been showing enough strength to move upward, where I find that shortly we'll see the natural gas futures could find a breakout well after the announcement of this weekly inventory, where I find that the injection level could be higher than the expected level of 105 billion cubic feet. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures find a system move after the announcement of this week's inventory well above the levels of $5.787, we'll see this uptrend to continue, where we could see a weekly closing well above the levels of 6.315. This is the level where the natural gas futures created a 7-year peak on September 28th. So let me show you this move, how it started. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures started to move upward with a gap up opening on the first trading session of this week on September 26, and this uptrend continued where the natural gas futures tested a 7-year peak on September 27th, and once again some profit selling was there. But here you can see that how the natural gas futures maintained this level, where once again the natural gas futures tested this level on September 28th, from where the natural gas futures found some profit booking and the natural gas futures remained under some bearish pressure and tested a low at the level 5.354, which seems to be a strong support level for natural gas futures, because once again the natural gas futures found a strong bounce back from here on October 7th. And here you can see that how the natural gas futures continued to remain in uptrend well above the levels of $6. So friends, here you can see that how the natural gas futures once again tested a new peak on October 6th, when the natural gas futures tested a new high at the 6.526. So this was the level what the natural gas futures have recently tested in current uptrend. So friends, here I find that the immediate support what the natural gas futures have shown during the month of October is at the levels of 5.388, where the natural gas finds a strong support between this zone from the levels of $5.344 to $5.388. So this seems to be a strong supporting zone from where buyer comes forward to go long. So friends, here once again I find that this level could be tested very shortly, because the natural gas futures look ready to continue this uptrend, because here I find that currently the natural gas futures look very strong to move upward, and this rally could continue after the announcement of this weekly inventory. So friends, let me show you the current status of a series of withdrawals where we have seen a series of injection during the past few weeks, whereas we have seen a 3-digit injection during the last week. So friends, here you can see that how this series of weekly injection has shown an increase, whereas last week we have seen an injection of 3 digits where the expected level was for 105 billion cubic feet, but the actual position of injection was 118 billion cubic feet. Once again, this week we are expecting an injection of 105 billion cubic feet. So here I find that a bigger injection than the expected levels will propel this rally in natural gas futures during this week. So here I find that once again the natural gas futures could find a strong bouncing move after the announcement of inventory well above the psychological resistance at the levels of $6, whereas a system move well above the levels of $6.062. Everybody would prefer to ride this rally. So friends, here I find that shortly we'll see a breakout well above the levels of $6.315, well before the October 20th. I find that the natural gas futures could test this level. So friends, here you can see that how the formation of a bullish crossover in an hourly time frame here on October 12th, and after this formation of a bullish crossover, the natural gas futures have been showing a good stand above the upper end of Ichimoku cloud. Here you can see that the natural gas futures have been well trying to breach this immediate resistance at the $5.519. So friends, here I find that shortly we will see a breakout well above this level. So friends, here I find that a system move well above the $5.736 will continue this uptrend where the moves could be extremely volatile, but overall trend could remain bullish up to October 20th. So my targets for natural gas futures will be at the $6.315 before October 20th. Friends, now let us check this move in a 15-minute time frame. So here in a 15-minute time frame here you can see that how the natural gas futures have shown a strong upward move on October 12th after testing a low at the 5.173, from where we have seen a strong buying support here well below the $5.24. So friends, here you can see that how the natural gas futures have shown a strong upward move here on October 12th, and since then the natural gas futures have been consolidating amid the zone from the levels of the 5.377 to the 5.519. So friends, here I find that the natural gas futures look ready to sustain well above this immediate resistance. So friends, here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been still showing some strength, which looks evident enough for a breakout well above the second resistance at the levels of $5.594, where I find that this move could test the next psychological resistance at $6, where a sister move could propel the next attempt to test the levels of $6.315. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.